all going so well until the fucking battery died. Right, so currently working on Harvey's car, Mr. Atwood Media, trying to put exhaust manifold on, whether it's actually going to work. One bolt has been rounded, so luckily it'll still run with 7 bolts and not 8, so we're going to have to just chop one off with a Dremel. There is literally no space whatsoever down the back of there. One bolt's off. See, there's the rounded bolt. Absolutely fooked. But it'll come off today, guaranteed. It's not a bad little car, to be fair. So some of the mods that he's already done: your exhaust, mud flaps. Getting a sports cat on today. Sparko racing seat. Took his back seats out. Just getting, falling. It's not bad, the mini interior. Bit of a spaceship theme going on. Engine bay. Romero air filter. Made me a brew. Always need a brew. Little socket set. Only thing that you can get in with a quarter socket set down there, sadly, or else we would have got it off a lot easier already. Right, so we've managed to actually get this bolt off. Absolute ball ache.
Well, I'm going to have to go and get the toolbox.
Mr. Atwood Media here.
Yeah, hair's all over the place.
I know. Lockdown haircuts and that.
Lockdown haircuts.
But it is coming off this manifold today.
I'm going to go and get my toolbox.
It's all unbolted. It's moving. Just jack this up. It's on its jacking point. There we go. Pull that out. Put it in its spot. Car's off the ground now. Literally won't take too long to get it back off. Get the new one on, which is got to be loud. We'll rev it without the full exhaust on, and then hopefully should be good. Right, it's off. Out with the old, in with the new.
I'm looking for us the new one. Is in 2 parts. We need to sand
that space has finally gone. So finally got it in.
The longest process in the world. I don't want to get electrocuted. That's how you put a battery on.
That's how you put a battery on. So we're going to start it whilst it's not got the cat on it. Just for a quick second.
Yeah, and for a second only.
Maybe a couple of baby revs. Starting it up.
Oh, yeah, I don't want it.
Go on. Battery's probably dead. You don't understand how loud that is. Go on. Battery's probably dead. Mr. Wood Media overhead. I didn't realise how loud that was going to be.
It's the loudest thing ever.
That shook me, that. Oof. That's cold start up and everything.
Tiny rev.
Didn't even rev it. Fucking hell. Well, that just happened. I think it's time to shove the cat on it.
I told you it was loud, bro.
So we've pretty much done it now. Managed to get the cat to seal literally 2 seconds ago. All done.
Finally did it.
It only took us fucking 8 hours, 8.5 hours I think it's been now.
I think it's still making it.
Still, yeah, it'll be alright. I think that's fucking sick. It's not bad, that, not too shabby.
Not going past it because it always pulls. Ah, choked. Can't feel my feet still. It's a bit of a problem.
And all good things come to an end. So it was all going so well until the fucking battery died. Or at least we hope it's the battery.
Yeah.
Because
that's only 60 quid.
yeah. So we're now stuck.
For the battery to give up.
We're now stuck on a fucking slip road, just past Bredbury, waiting for someone to come save us. Okay. And hopefully just give us a jump start and it works. So it's going well. I can see him, that's definitely him. He's finally come to save us. Fucking, he's going a bit quick. Right, so basically I couldn't finish the video for the main reason of the police came and we had to tow the car home. For what we know now, it's the fuel pump. So let's just hope that the car's sorted out pretty soon. So my next video is going to be out a week today. And hopefully you enjoyed this one and will stick around for the next one. So if you did, please hit the like button down below, subscribe, and subscribe to @Wood Media as well, whose link will be in the bio. So I'll see you next time.